Welcome back, Brock with Arcan RV. I'm gonna debut a brand new 2021 Keystone Carbon. It's the 358 model. We'll start with the outside there, work our way inside. Lots of exciting things to talk about on this unit here. So you're gonna have a one-piece fiberglass front cap that's gonna be automotive grade paint on all carbons there. That's gonna be a standard option with these guys, as well as the roto-flex pin box here. So it's going to prevent any of that chucking. Basically the way I like to describe it is that it pivots back and forth. So when you hit that that speed bump or that pothole, it's coming up and absorbing that energy, then coming back down once your tire is on solid surface there. So it's going to prevent any of that chuck that you see from fifth wheels with just a steel pin box that you typically find in fifth wheels there. Something like this, because it is a larger unit, you're certainly going to want more of a high-end feature like that. Now with these, we do bring them in with a 5,500 watt Onan gas-powered generator on these units here. The Cummins Onan is one of the best in the market, very, very high-end. Very efficient. It's already like noise proofed and surrounded inside there. So when this thing's running, it's running really quiet during the day or even at night. One of those great features with the Carbon Raptors that we bring in. This compartment here is going to have your 30-pound propane tanks. That's going to be standard with Carbons as well there for you, giving you a little extra juice there for longer stays. And then I just wanted to point out as well in this compartment here, just to give you the assurance that this thing does have hydraulic auto level, and it is a 6-point auto level on all carbons. So very high-end feature, regardless of the length of the floor plan with carbon, you're gonna get 6 points of contact. Little pass-through storage compartment here. Now it comes with this cool tray here as well. So you can access it, get your stuff in the back, all the way to the front here. Very, very easy to access. That piece right here is for your outdoor water source there, which this has as well. So you do have an outdoor water source. 3-step aluminum step entry here on all carbons. You got an extra large grab handle and a full length awning on the campsite here. That is LED lit as well on all the carbons. All your exterior speakers are on the front side over here as well. And then you've got a second entry door, and that door is going to be to the garage. We'll get there in a couple of minutes. We're just going to go inside the unit, check out the kitchen area here first. Just to point out some features in the carbons. They're all coming now with solid surface countertops. You're going to have stainless steel one-piece undermount recessed sinks with really nice high-rise faucets. All wood cabinetry, and with their cabinetry as well, they've incorporated the soft close cabinetry, as you can see there. That's a really nice high-end feature that you're going to find in your home, really, at the end of the day. You got a 3-burner cooktop here with your glass mount. Nice little oven below, and you got some nice LED lighting on there. And then you've got your pots and pans drawer just below as well, which is a nice feature there. Nice big, very, very sturdy pots and pans drawer. Standard in the carbons as well, you're gonna get a 12 cubic foot gas electric fridge. So plenty of storage. Whether you're off-grid camping or at hookups there, you're going to have the option for the gas or the hookups as far as electricity to run your fridge. So you got a little pantry here for any more storage. Great little usage of space inside this area here. Very, very effective the way they're doing it. And now you've got a 3-seater reclinable couch here. So middle one even reclines, as well as your ends. Now on the Thomas & Payne furniture here, there is going to be, and I don't have this plugged in here, but the option for heat, massage, and these to be lit. So we don't have this this plugged in right now, or I would show you that. There's some really kind of nice little accent lighting that goes underneath it as well. Here's your entertainment deck here. So you've got your Connex entertainment system here, your CDs, DVDs. You got a USB connection here in the front. And this is going to pair your speakers, so inside, outside, or both at the same time. You can do all that with that as well. And some really nice storage below for any of the DVDs or anything like that that you have. So now you can see here you got roller shades. That's a standard feature on the carbons. And they do incorporate some little USBs. There's one over there. Doesn't look like there's one over here, but they're trying to incorporate USBs wherever you possibly can there. Now this particular model is the 13-foot version in the Carbon 358. So 13-foot garage. We bring these things in standard with the patio package. So the patio package is what you can see, solid surround around the outside there. You get the additional steps down from the patio package. Sorry, we don't have that set up yet. As well as your electric bed lift. So this is a queen size bed that's up here right now. And these will actually, if you wish, fold down into yet another bed. And they both have legs to support the weight. Easy to put back up. And these will fold into the walls here, so you're able to access, you know, your side-by-sides, your quads, your motorcycles, that kind of stuff in there. These will fold flat against the wall. They'll sit out about 6-7 inches from the wall, so you got plenty of room to bring whatever toy it is that you're bringing in here. Or if you're just using this for a bunk room for the kids, because that's a great option too. They come standard with 2 ACs. And when you get into your Raptors, then you can get into the option of having a third AC that's ducted completely separate for the bedroom here as well. But some other cool features. You've got your washer dryer prep already in here. And ta-da, you have a half bath in your garage. Easy access to your half bath from your garage. So like I was saying before, this could be used for toys. This could be used as a bunk room. It's got that versatility. You don't have to just use it for the toys. Got some nice little cabinetry above here, and then all of your controls are right here for your lights, your electric bed lift, and your rear awning extension, if that's an option that you put on the unit, which on this one there is. And then it comes with this carpet down here that we actually haven't closed. We do not want to have that rolled out because we don't want it to get messy. People tracking in mud, those kind of things. But it's the exact dimensions of this garage here for you. So, I mean, it can be just a nice living area back here, like I was mentioning, for the kids. You've got that ladder there, and I'll show you exactly what that ladder's for here too. So above, we've got another little bunk up there. So that's a great place for storage, or you know what, I mean, that's gonna sleep another individual there. It is wider than your traditional just 28-inch wide bunk, and it's about 6 feet long, so you can fit a human up there no problem. But let's hop on in to the bedroom here and the bathroom, and we'll check that out. So you get a nice rectangular shower there with some additional storage. Your porcelain toilet there. Yeah, just some great storage in the bathroom there for you. And then the bedroom here. So standard in all the carbons here, you're gonna go with a true queen size bed. You're gonna have really nice nightstands on both sides that are gonna have additional storage underneath, as well as these Connex wireless chargers here. So these are going to operate off your 12-volt power there. So if you wanted to charge your cell phone, you can do that without actually being plugged in. A lot of the toy hauler folks are kind of boondocking or off-grid camping. That's an easy way to kind of connect your cell phone in case of emergencies or if you need it for any reason. So nice cabinetry above the bed here. And then obviously we've got your additional storage here on the wardrobe side here. Bank of 3 drawers. You got your nice closet here for your hanging of your coats, sweaters, all that kind of lovely stuff there. And then you get some additional storage up here for any more clothes that you're wanting to bring along with you as well. Now notice the height in here. I mean, I'm 5'9". You can easily be 6'3", 6'4", and still standing up in the carbon. This is a full profile unit there at a lower price point than you would expect with the amount of features that you get in these things. And then this bed does give you some additional storage underneath here as well. And I forgot to mention on the garage, but when you have that down, those two benches down there, this is a table that you can use for, you know, dining out in the garage if you want there. That comes standard with all the carbon sears too. That about does it for the carbon 358. Brock from Arcan RV, thanks for joining us.